What's up, everybody? It's your girl 3's. I'm back today with another review. This time it's a little different. You feel me? We're gonna switch it up. I'm doing a review on the new Apple AirPods 3's. And I'll tell you, I done had it with these. These motherfuckers is garbage. So these is like the first ones that came out. So I'll show you what we're doing with this today. I've been waiting for these new 3's to drop so I can bust these ones up, because this shit don't make no sense. First of all, they don't hold a charge. I had them when they first released. They don't hold a charge that well. So I can't charge them when I'm talking on the phone. They die the first 5 minutes and all that. So I gotta get rid of these. I don't know if y'all wanna see me smash it. Alright, let's go. It's really AirPods in here. They for real deal up in here. It's real apples, not even. No cap. They're really Apple AirPods. I'm over them. So when you over something, that didn't go as well as I thought it would. I might have to take it outside because I ain't trying to fuck this table up. You feel me? So we're gonna try that again. I guess it's good to know that this motherfucker durable because it won't break. It's not breaking this. Ain't nothing to it but to do it though. Damn. This motherfucker is unbreakable. Like me. You can't break me. Alright. Shit. I guess y'all gonna have to follow me outside. I'm destroy these one way or another. Come on. Alright, we're back. I guess this is a little better. A little dent on them right there. That's about it. Not breaking. Worth nothing. Alright. Guess you can know these motherfuckers is really durable. This shit is not breaking. One more time for the camera. It's real. I think I missed it.
A few moments later.
So now we back. Now that we're done with all of that, the new AirPods. Let's move these bad boys up. I ordered them like a week ago on the pre-order. It was $179, I want to say. And here they are. AirPods 3's. Check them out. Let's open these up and see what they do. See what it's about. I got these because I like the classic ones, like the first model that came out. I don't like them ear tip things that annoy the hell out of your ear. So I'm hoping that these hold a charge. Because I guess after so long, the other ones just get worn out and they don't want to work no more. But so here they are, brand new 3's. And as you can see, they don't come with those little earbud tips. These don't. These not the pros. They just the 3's. Damn, I should have kept one of my old ones so I could show y'all. But as you can see, I busted it all up. So I threw that shit away immediately. But this little thing right here is a little shorter than the original one. It was the first generation one. So let me see. We'll put it in my ear. They're not that long. You know, you can get a little close up. Alright. We'll put it in there. We're gonna put it in there. And, shit, I give it a 10 for comfort already. They feel a little different. And I ain't gotta have them tips on, you know, where you gotta find your fucking earbud size and all that good stuff. I ain't have to put none of that on, so I'm liking it. Of course, it comes with your charger, standard charger for them. And yeah, bro. Little instruction manual, how to use them, all that good stuff. I was trying to see the battery life on these. see it though. I can't tell you that. But all I can tell you is that these is a better upgrade than the ones I just had. Y'all seen them. I had to go. But these these the AirPod 3's. I'm loving them. Loving them already. So now I ain't gotta, you know, be in the mid conversation with somebody. Boom. They don't hear you no more. You know? None of that is gonna happen. Again, next I gotta get, I think I'm gonna upgrade my phone. Get the 13 and shit. But, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Again, it's the AirPod 3's. I like them. They small. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that shit. Like, it's small. Compared to the other ones, I don't know if y'all can even see it, but they much smaller. Cleaner look. It has a more clean look to it, you know, as opposed to the other ones. But I'm about to get out of here because at this point I'm just rambling on about these AirPod 3's. Get you some. $179. They're cheaper than the Pros. This is the latest model, the AirPod 3's. I got mine in Best Buy, pre-ordered them. They still got some in stock right now today, so they just dropped yesterday. Cop yours before it's too late and out of stock before the holiday season. Like my videos, like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff. All right, we out.